Hi traders. One thing I see a lot, new traders confuse trading E-mini futures with Forex or stocks. They use entry strategies that work in Forex and expect same results in futures. But here is the key difference. E-mini futures rely heavily on volume, while Forex and stocks doesn't follow same system. I can't stress enough volume, volume, volume. If you're not looking at volume, you are missing a big part of the picture. I'll explain why volume matters so much in trading futures E-mini if you stick with me.
I listed here few indicators and I put on the top example of futures E-mini ES and I compared them to stocks and Forex. I want you to take a screenshot of this comparison here and leave it somewhere safe to use it in future. It just basically what it captures how important is volume-based indicators for futures E-mini versus Forex. For example, here the volume and order flow is less reliable in Forex, but is quite important in the ES futures E-mini. So why use volume-based indicators for day trading E-mini futures? Real market participation. So unlike Forex, E-mini futures use real volume data, allowing traders to track actual buying and selling activities, not just price movement. Market liquidity and strength. Volume profile, the VWAP and delta help identify strong versus weak moves. Reversal and breakout confirmation. High volume at key levels confirm valid breakout, while low volume breakout often fail. Order flow precision, footprint charts, and cumulative delta reveal aggressive buy and selling pressure, helping traders position ahead of momentum shifts. Mean reversing nature. E-mini futures often oscillate around a VWAP or key volume nodes, making volume based setups ideal for scalping and intraday trades. Okay, now I'm gonna build an automated strategy in NinjaTrader just to capture the importance of the volume based indicators in trading. Let's go to our control center in NinjaTrader, go to the menu, and then choose Strategy Builder. Okay, next, I'm gonna just leave this as my custom strategy too. I'll just put it here in the description too. I'm gonna just make a very simple basic strategy. So condition, let's say MA, okay, I will put 21 and cross above and 50, which is a long-term one. So if EMEA cross the MA 50, I want to go order management and enter a long position. I want what I'm going to do an exit, very simple exit. If it crosses below, so I wanted a faster one, so I'll do a 14 here, and I'll just put randomly here 30. Just basically, this is when it goes faster, cross below. So the EMA 14, which go much faster than the 21. If it crosses below the 30 EMA, I'm gonna just long, exit long position. It's a simple strategy here, and I'm gonna compile it. And when I compile it, I'm gonna go to strategy analyzer and look. Okay, I'm gonna just test it from the 1st of January 2025 till today's trading day. Okay. And I'll use 15 minutes. I'll use unique entries for entry handling. I'm going to include commission. And okay, and I'm going to use it for all futures here. So I'll just use, I go to futures, use all futures. So I want to see how this strategy behave for every single futures e-mini to diversify my risks. Okay, I'll run it here. Okay, here it is. So here is a good strategy now. If you go to the combined result here, you can see it's 23,000, and I usually go to the sharp ratio 0.93 is quite decent, and ESE mini. But again, this is strategy analyzer backtesting. I wouldn't trust it 100%. It gives you a bit of guidelines if your strategy is quite good or decent, and then after that you have to test it in live data and see how it behaves. Okay, I'm gonna go back now to my strategy here. What I'm gonna do here, just basically I'm gonna filter things. Is basically I'm gonna add a volume. I want my volume, okay, to be greater the vol MA, which is an average of the volume. So I'll just leave. Actually, I'm going to change the period. I want it to be a longer period. Just if the 21 EMA cross above the 50 EMA, and then the volume is higher than the average volume for 20 period, then enter long. So I'll compile this. Let's run again another back test. Okay, let's see, for example, this GC. See the loss here. Short. You can see a very good buy here, but it's like the exit. I think if probably have just closed it here, I would have made a decent profit. Let me go back to kind of filter my strategy a little bit. I'm going to just add a profit target. I'm going to use ticks here. 19 probably better. Okay, and I'm going to just add also a stop loss. Ticks. Just 19. So this is 1-to-1 ratio. And back to my, gonna just what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna show those indicators. Plot on the chart. And plot on the chart. So I'll just the 21, the faster one. I'll put it as blue, and the 51 I'm gonna put it as orange red. And for those, I'm gonna also show them plot just faster one, and I'm gonna put some darker color. And if I come back here, I want to show those two, the volume, and if I can plot them just to see the behaviors. Okay, so let's compile this. Okay, so now just because we put some profit and loss lower, we got the combined result between, and it looks like the CL is doing very well. And let me check the CL chart just to see. Okay, is a trade here. We went long and we made a profit. As you can see, whenever there is a higher volume here, it's like you can get a stronger moves for the price. So whenever you use bot confirmation, this is just kind of two confluence like DMA 21 and 50, and then the volume you can add another one to get a good entry condition for your trades. So here it's a small loss here, stop loss, and you can see we bought here, and let me see that we made a profit here. Okay, that's a decent profit. There's also a good profit here. So, and if you see, for example, yeah, so the volume was higher than the average volume, and that's kind of helped. So we can see a confirmation here. So yeah, here it is. Just this is just a dummy strategy for you, just to make you aware about the volume. Always try to add a volume indicators as a confirmation of going long or short. It's really important if you're trading futures e-mini. Okay, that's all for now. Happy trading.